Jokanyo e sekta mar somo e kaunti ma Bungoma dwaro ni jopuonjre mane otimo penj mar klas 12 higa mokalo mondo onywak e tiegruok mag TVET. Apisa mar somo ma Webuye Paul Rono ojiwo jopuonjre mondo kik se kuonde tiegruok go ni mar piny Kenya ni kod nok mar jolony mag tije lwedo. Magino yangi e nyasi ma kanyakla mar lemo ne jopuonjre mane otimo penj mar KCSE higa mokalo, kama bende jopuonjre mane otimo maber ne omimich.
I'll call upon all the others who can help out needy students like us and lift up their background. I won't say that we are that well off, but I believe I'll be able to raise the standards of my family.
Shukuru sana Maulana kwa kunijalia kupata grade ya B chanya, na pia namshukuru Reverend Masambu kwa kunisimamia katika masomo yangu, na pia napenda kuwashukuru walimu wangu kwa bidii waliotia kunisaidia, na mimi pia mwenyewe nilijaribu kutia bidii, maana walivyosema imara ya gunia utegemea upakizi wake. Kwa hivyo upakizi ulikuwa mwema, na pia msaada wa Mungu kupitia Reverend ulinisaidia sana, ukanisaidia mpaka nikapata alama ya B+. Kwa hivyo napenda kuwarai wanafunzi wenzangu waliofanya mtihani lakini matokeo yao hayakuwaridhisha, ya kuwa huu sio mwisho wa dunia.
Let's appreciate the grades that our learners have got for last year and help the learners to proceed to the various tertiary institutions that they can study the various courses that are offered in these institutions, because we cannot all get they can choose courses that are going to be worthy, like they can go do plumbing, they can do these courses like masonry. We need people who can help in various sectors.
Ramogi